Something about me ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down. Not just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey guys, what's up? I am posting these videos hella random. Excuse the face, I just wake up. So I just remembered I had some clips from my interview with Mo from Phuckery the podcast from summer last year, right? Now you guys know I stay posting random stuff, but I wouldn't feel right if I didn't post that video. I went on her channel to look at the view count and I need that to be higher. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys a couple clips from the interview, and the link to the full video, the full interview, is going to be in the description bar. I want you guys to go ahead and check that out. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the stuff that happened during my kidnapping that I did not want to say on camera at the time. Hella time has passed and you guys know I'm obviously over it, but some of the stuff needed to be said. However, I'm not going to give too much away because I want you guys to go ahead and watch Monique's video, all right? So the link for the full video, the full interview, is going to be in the description bar. I want you guys to go ahead and click it and watch it. I'm just going to share a little bit of what I had to say on my channel, and then you guys can go ahead and click and watch the full video on her channel, Zane, because a lot of stuff had gone down that details that I left out of the initial video of my kidnapping, and it's some stuff that it's probably going to be like hella unbelievable, but want to go watch it and see what's up. Warning, all right, we do cuss in the video, and also my accent is like almost not even present in the video. So I don't think that's going to bother anybody, but y'all know I go in and out with my accent. So yeah, go watch the video, pre the video, leave some love on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video that I post, which might be literally anything, all right? Hopefully that kind of keeps things spicy a little bit, but yeah, I'm here for whoever appreciates that about the channel at this moment. It's just anything goes, you know what I mean? So yeah, enjoy the clip, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
It count?
You got 55 minutes of time.
All right, there we go. Okay. Is it blinking?
It is blinking.
Okay, we're good.
I know how a camera works.
Y'all get cheap?
What?
Is it angled to, are you seeing her?
Yeah, I got you both in there.
Okay, awesome.
This is my first day.
Sorry, too.
All right, you're recording, you're good to go.
Let's get it. Welcome to Pure Phuckery, the podcast. I am your host. It's your favorite fucking Dr. Bag, Monique Ross. In today's episode, I am joined by a special fucking guest co-host. Hey. I got my homegirl. I got Miss Toya in the fucking building, all the way from Jamaica. I would say like where in Jamaica, but we just had this conversation off camera, and we gonna jump right into it right after you say what's up to the fuckers, man. Shout out to the fuckers out there.
Come on, everybody. What's up?
Thank you for sharing in my energy space today, Miss Toya. Shout out to the fuckers. I absolutely appreciate you guys for tuning in, week out. The beaches are beautiful. If you haven't made your way to fucking Jamaica, I don't care what part of Jamaica. Yeah. The beaches are absolutely beautiful. Like just blue.
Yes, like you can actually
see the bottom of the ocean, man.
And
it's
the white sand.
Hey man, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. So welcome to Pure Phuckery, the podcast, all the way from the south portion of Jamaica, right? I appreciate you for coming out, sharing in my energy space. So we're gonna talk about Miss Toya, and welcome back to the Lou, because you have roots here in St. Louis as well, right?
Technically,
she's like technically.
No, this is actually my first time in St. Louis.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh okay, I didn't know that. I thought you had roots. Well, you might be planting. You planting some roots here. You planting some roots. I ain't mad at you, baby girl. I ain't mad at you. Plant those roots. So here you are in the fucking building. She just told me she did her hair. She started at like 1 o'clock. We're recording at 5:30. Like I'm like, how? I'm going to get my shit done. And it's like all day event.
And that's what I'm telling you about these locks. So my locks are handmade, guys. Like I sit and make these myself. So when you guys come for an install, it's like like less than half the time.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That's
2.5,
dope
3
as
hours, and that's
fuck.
out. And you can get it down to the floors the same time, 2.5, 3 hours, and you're out.
And you in and out.
In and out.
Have you always done locks? You been doing locks in Jamaica? Is that
Yeah,
okay?
that's what I do all day, every day back home. That's my job.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't give it all away because I want to send that traffic to your channel. But
Right.
give us a little insight on like what happened. Like what the fuck, man?
Yo, right?
Yeah, like
Okay.
that's wow.
It was a regular ass day, I'm telling you, and that was what really pissed me off because I'm just like, damn, but this is a normal ass day. How the fuck does happen on a normal day?
Right. But that's usually how it happens though. It's a normal ass day. You walking around like Ezel, la.
If I was being extra, I would understand, but it was just so basic. I'm just like, bruh, like how did we get here? So I do hair.
Mm-hmm.
I run my errands on Fridays.
Mm-hmm.
So I would get, and it was summer too, it was July. Actually, a couple days ago, July 26th.
Okay.
Was
Today's the 29th, so
yeah.
that was 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
Wow.
Was the
anniversary. She said the kidnap anniversary. I'm glad that we can laugh about this shit right here, right now.
And shit, like I'm glad I can laugh about it.
Right.
I find all that shit so
Right.
funny because it's unreal. This dude talking hella tough. You're not about to, because they wanted to murk me. Like, you know what I mean?
Right.
I'm like, that shit's not gonna happen right now. So here's
Right.
what we're gonna do. I'm out. I'm out of this bitch. Y'all can stay in here. So he was talking a lot of shit, you know, saying you better hope that when we get there, we get that money, because if not, then I'm gonna do this, that. I'm like, sure. All right.
You have no idea what I have planned for you, motherfucker.
Yo, I was sitting in there just waiting for my time, looking out the window like, okay, can't jump yet. This car is coming in. You know what I mean? And
Right.
just checking it out. And I remember there's a police station.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, all right, I'm going to wait until I get to this police station. Just jump the hell out of this car.
Right.
All right, cool. Like, my back was all messed up in my leg.
Mm-hmm.
But, like, everybody's like, fuck, you nothing happened to your face.
Right.
You
Hey,
just
because
got
I'm
a car.
divinely protected.
I'm telling you. So I was just like, nah, ain't nothing gonna happen to me. So I got out the car, ran into the station yard, and it was 9:03. They grabbed me like 7:06 thereabout. So I was with them for like 2 hours. And when I got into the station yard, it was all dark.
Mm-hmm.
I was banging on the door. The station door was closed.
Oh, wow.
At 9:03 p.m.
Wow.
I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Somebody.
So I'm banging on the door like, help, just like in the movie.
Uh-huh.
Help me. Shit. They opened the door. Like, I hid a lot about that YouTube video. Because I'm telling you, if I had put half the shit I wanted to put out there,
Mm-hmm.
the Jamaican police force would have come under serious heat.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm telling you, I'm in uniform.
Wow.
I'm like, where the fuck did I just come into somebody's house?
Right.
They were in sleepwear.
These motherfuckers in here, get ready to go night-night.
Night-night.
9 o'clock on a Friday night.
Scrub on their faces,
What?
brushing their fucking teeth.
What?
At 9:03.
Wow.
And I'm like, how?
That's fucking bananas.
Yo, and at this point, I can't feel any of my injuries because that adrenaline.
Right, yeah, adrenaline
I
rush.
went down on the floor, was full of blood. I'm like, oh shit, I'm sorry. Could you
Right.
clean that up?
So fine.
Yo,
Yeah.
when I got to the hospital, remember that they left their car on the plaza. They took me out. Yo, I called, like, when I got to the station, it was just so much. I tried to save their ass. I didn't talk about all the shit that actually happened that night. But, like, I called, when I was at the station, they called somebody to go get the car.
Mm-hmm.
You know, stand by the car. Somebody got to come claim it.
Right, they're going to come back and get this
So, like,
motherfucker.
how are you sure when we go down there that it's going to be there?
Go find out, motherfucker.
They're like, how the fuck you gonna know if you don't go down?
Right.
They didn't go.
Wow.
So them dudes took the car back and
Oh
took
my
that
God.
car and went on about their business. They left the key in the ignition and everything. But they did take everything. I had just bought my Samsung at the time. It was a S8 or S8 Plus. Just got that probably about 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And they took the money I had on me, my dad's toolkit. They took all my KFC.
Did they take your hair? The hair you had? Did you
All
have?
the hair.
Oh wow!
All that
These
shit.
motherfuckers went
I'm
and sold that
telling you,
shit or
they
gave it to their baby
Yeah,
mamas.
that's what it is.
Wow.